We dug some holes, now we're gonna fill them.
That is not an intro. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, that is what we're doing. We dug holes with the excavator. You want to move that hose out of the way? Is that good?
Locked in.
All right. Because where do these hoses go? Right there? Okay. Time to drill some holes. You trying to get that to do that? Oh, it's like a huge air fitting?
Yeah, it's hydraulic.
Oh, okay. But I meant it works the same way as like the air fittings.
Should have caps on them.
Yeah. Well, maybe they did at one point. Got it?
Whew.
Take some man strength.
I do not know what that's gonna take to fucking get off.
Yikes. Well, don't I have to put it in there once we get it on? Or
There you go.
what's up? What?
Stand right here and hold it, and I'll fucking line it up right here.
Alright. Oh, you're gonna make it go straight down?
Yep.
Okay. Huh?
Not grab the fucking thing.
Alright. Looks fine. All right, so we have this unclaimed fence and we've mapped out our yard, and now we're gonna drill some holes. The fence will go up later, but we wanted to get the holes drilled because winter is coming quickly and the ground will start to freeze. So we're gonna get these holes drilled, and then this fence will probably go up in the next few weeks. That one was a little bit harder to get on. Yeah, that's what I meant, that one. Oh, that wasn't terrible.
As long as they're not pressurized, they're not supposed to leak and they're supposed to be easy to take off.
Gotcha. So today we are mixing concrete and putting in poles for our fence. So you can see how the day's going. So let's watch him mix and pour concrete. This will be interesting. All right, how do you do this?
Like that. Construction worker.
Whoa, buddy.
Yep, don't breathe that. That's concrete dust.
Come over here.
You want your trash bag?
Uno bag.
Here, you want your trash bag?
Yeah. Got another bag, Mama?
Huh?
Got another bag?
No, you got to pull one out of there then. You want another?
No, I meant another bag, concrete.
Oh, yeah. I'll grab one. You're good?
Oh, I'm good.
Try to pick up 80 pounds of concrete.
Look at her body. She works out.
Yeah, not enough.
Okay, she's worked out before.
A little bit. Okay.
I tried to zoom out. It wouldn't zoom out anymore. So it's like, I got you. She's huge.
Anyways.
Yeah, she could fill a frame.
Thanks, babe.
Ain't no thing.
Can I stab it?
Ah!
That was a new idea.
Kind of in a...
Freddy Krueger across the top, bro.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're gonna take the paper shirt?
Well, it's kind of heavy, and you guys already worked out today, so...
Hey, that one got the Parker treatment. Gotta put that in the video. What happened, Parker? Why'd the bag look like that?
Parker accidentally dumped the wheelbarrow over in Home Depot with the concrete bag, and it thankfully didn't get everywhere. It wasn't that bad.
We'll show you the bag.
That when we get to it.
The one that Parker got to.
It was an accident.
It was an accident.
Okay, Dave. It's on.
Just some special dirt with rocks in it. That's all it is.
Can you give me
More
water?
More water. Spray some more water in there until Daddy tells you to stop.
You just gotta keep it moist and moving.
You have to just mix it completely thoroughly with no dry spots and get it to the right consistency, and then you pour it in the hole. This is the concrete. You.
Stop.
Is this the stuff that will harden?
Yep.
That you want to flatten out?
Yep.
Oh, because if you keep putting water, it won't
Yeah, because if it's too liquidy, then yeah, it won't.
Excuse me, guys.
You gotta scoot so Daddy can.
What is it for? Why is it steaming?
Huh? What'd you say?
Should have run a cement mixer.
No, gosh. You're the cement mixer. You're doing a damn good job at it.
Mommy?
See
What,
why no
babe?
one listens to
Why
you?
is there
Anyways.
steam?
It's the dust from the concrete.
It's the actual cement. All right, give me some more water. One over there.
Okay, Macy, come over here, please.
Right there.
That one, Parker.
Label. You're putting in the ground.
We want the label up.
There you go.
I thought you said it didn't matter.
Oh, and go get the level over there. Thank you.
Twist it. It'll go down.
And we need it up against that.
Right there.
Need it up against that cord.
Okay.
We'll get there.
Hold on.
Dun 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 dun.